Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a detailed FAQ on the POCO X3. So POCO X3 is the latest announced smartphone by POCO in India. This device has a lot of really good aspects to talk about. One is a 6000 mAh capacity battery, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G octa-core processor, 120Hz refresh rate, quad camera setup. So it's a pretty good device in terms of hardware. So let's analyze all the aspects and let's answer all the queries we have been getting on this device in this detailed FAQ. So as usual, we'll be doing the 20-point FAQ of the POCO X3. So let's get started. Before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. Let's get started with the FAQ. So first step, let's have a talk about the build quality. Now if you look at the build quality, you can see that this has a pattern on the back panel, and also the camera unit looks quite good. But we have been getting a lot of questions whether this is a glass finishing or a polycarbonate material. This is in fact a polycarbonate material. It's kind of downgrade from the POCO X2 which had the glass finishing, but this is a polycarbonate material, and the thickness is like more than 10 mm in thickness because of the large capacity battery. It feels really bulky actually, and the weight is almost like 225 grams. So it's one of the heaviest device out there in this price segment. So in terms of battery life, you get 6000 mAh, but in terms of design and build quality, there has been a compromise with the polycarbonate material. But the polycarbonate material definitely feels good. It's kind of looking good with a good build quality, and we have been using this device for quite some time and we do not see any sort of scratches happening. So the build quality definitely looks good, but it is a polycarbonate material. Now next, let's move on to the display. So this device has a 6.67 inches full HD resolution display, and this is a 120Hz refresh rate. You can see that the 120Hz refresh rate feels pretty smooth. You also get a 60Hz and a 120Hz. You can see this is the 120Hz, and this is 6.67 inches full HD IPS LCD panel. You can see that the IPS LCD panel looks pretty good. The viewing angles are really good. The touch response also feels very smooth. So overall the display quality is definitely good. Now talking about the Gorilla Glass, this device has Gorilla Glass 5 support on the display, so it's well protected in terms of scratches and minor faults. Now moving on to the SIM cards, you get a hybrid slot on the left side. So this is the hybrid slot, which means you can use either one SIM card and an SD card, or two SIM cards. So there is no dedicated SD card slot available. Now talking about the storage, this device has UFS 2.1 storage and LPDDR4X RAM. RAM variants are 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM available. Now talking about the software, this device comes with the MIUI 12 out of the box. You can see here this is the MIUI Global. Android version is Android 10, and you get 64 and 128GB storage, and you can see that this MIUI feels very smooth. You get all the features you generally see on all the MIUI devices. You get these options, additional options, tools, special features. You can see that game turbo, video toolbar, second space, floating window customizations, and a whole lot of features are there. So it's a really well balanced UI and offers plethora of options. Now talking about the performance, so this device has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G. It's one of the newer chipsets from Qualcomm under the 700 series, and this is the first smartphone in India to support the 732G. So 732G is a really good chipset. So we have been using this device for quite some time, no lags whatsoever. We have done a gaming video as well, so you can check out that gaming experience. It's also really good. It's a gaming centric chipset. Again, performs really well, no issues, but it does have some heating issues. Even with the liquid cooling technology, there is a bit of heating, almost up to 45 degrees with the 120Hz refresh rate. But if you go with 60Hz, you may not have that high temperature. Now next is the LED notification. So that's one of the questions we get often, but we have a surprise here because most of the smartphones do not have LED notifications here. So we are just connecting a charger, and you can see this is the LED notification. It's a very small LED here, but it is there. You can see there is a very small LED for notifications on this device. So this is one of those devices which offer LED notification. Next, let's talk about the fingerprint scanner and face unlock. So we have just enabled the fingerprint scanner, and you can see it's a pretty fast fingerprint scanner. Just touch on it, you can actually enable either touch or press. So we have enabled touch, and you can see that it works pretty well. So face unlock is also pretty fast on this device. Now this device comes with USB OTG support. You can use any computer peripherals and pen drives with this device. Now next is the sensors available on this device. So we have installed the sensors app, and you can see that it comes with all the basic sensor: proximity, magnetic, gyroscope, gravity, light, accelerometer. So all the basic sensors are included on this device. Now talking about the camera, so we have a quad camera setup. So we have a primary 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor, 13 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a 20 megapixel selfie camera is included. So that's the camera UI. So we have done a detailed camera review. You can check out that video to get an idea about how the camera performance has been. So here are some quick samples we have taken with the Poco X3. So for more details on the camera, do check out our camera review of the device. Now talking about the battery, so this device comes with a large 6000 mAh capacity battery, and the charging time is around 1 hour 40 minutes is what we got. So company claims around 1 hour 30 minutes, close to 1 hour 30 minutes, but we got slightly higher time, but again those are standard test conditions. But still the 6000 mAh capacity battery with a 33 watt fast charging takes around 1 hour 40 minutes, which is again pretty good because it's a large capacity battery. Now battery life is again very good. We got around 12 to 13 hours of screen on time easily on this device, which is really good. And again screen on time will vary based on person to person. So what apps I use may not be the ones you use. So what apps I use may not be the ones you use, so there might be difference. So we got around 12 hours plus screen on time on this device, which is really good, and you can get like 2 days plus battery life on this device easily. Now talking about the Widevine L1 support, so we have installed the DRM Info app. So you can see that security level is L1, which means there is Widevine L1 support on this device. Next is the Camera to API. So we'll just open the Camera to API probe. You can see that level 3 support, which means you can try all the apps. So there is full support on this device. Level 3 support for Camera to API on the Poco X3. Now voice over Wi-Fi and VoLTE is supported on this device. So we have the option enabled in the settings. You can enable voice over Wi-Fi. Now talking about the speaker performance, we'll just play a song from the YouTube's audio library here. So actually it has dual stereo speakers, and the speaker quality is definitely good on this device. Now talking about the colors, there are two colors, cobalt blue and grey color. So we have the blue variant with us, and pricing we have three variants. 16999 is the pricing for the 6GB RAM and 64GB storage. There is 6GB RAM and 128GB storage at 18,500 rupees, and 19999 is 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Now availability, this device is available exclusively on Flipkart. So that was the detailed FAQ of the Poco X3. So hope these FAQs were useful in getting to know about the Poco X3. If you still have any questions, you can drop a comment. We'll be glad to help you out with your questions. So this is Dhumal signing off with the detailed FAQ on the Poco X3. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.